This is your reading for today. You are going to be cutting through your fears and doubts. These fears and doubts have kept you trapped in a particular manner where you have felt, where you have doubted yourself. Today is the day you have decided to cut the cords, and some of you might have also done these active cord cutting rituals. You are cutting the cords with this part of you that keeps you trapped in fear and doubt. And you are cutting these cords with all the people who are keeping you trapped in this fear and doubt. You are not cutting the cords with these people. You are cutting the cords of the fear that these people generate in you, the resentment that these people generate in you. You are cutting through it today. This has kept you up with sleepless nights very often. Today you are cutting through it very clearly and you are stepping into your own power. Also, there is somebody over here who has been holding back on a conversation that needs to happen between the two of you. Now, this person has taken their time to think over it. This person has taken their time to fight about their feelings over it. They have wanted to say some things for a very long time, but there has been a lot that is happening at their end. There has been a lot of mental clutter at their end. But it seems that now they are ready to open up and talk to you about it. Okay, this could be a person who feels that things should be done in fairness and things should be done when the timing is right. And but what has happened is that this person has been waiting for the right timing for a very long time, and now it is getting difficult for them. They have gone so slow about it, that now that slowness is suffocating them, and they've been fighting this urge to talk to you about it. You, on the other hand, over here, you have withstood the doubts that your own mind has thrown at you, and you have kind of shut your heart out and said that, okay, now let me stand up and fight with the doubts that my mind is throwing at me. Number two, the things that people are throwing at me through their various behaviors, and that whatever that I'm trying to tell them is not getting across. But you have stood up, and you have stood your ground, and you have fought through it. Okay, and you've been patient. You've been slowly. You've been understanding the lessons in these chapters that you had to learn, and you have also started understanding that you are going to be evolving through these difficult chapters in your life. And at one point in time, you were fighting these lessons, but now you have come to a very clear understanding. And that is why you are going to get victory over it. There's a clear victory that is coming to you in your own surroundings. And because of the